Look at that cheese pool. Look at that cheese pool. So today we're going to make a low-calorie barbecue chicken pizza. Now you can use the homemade, you can like me, I'm using homemade dough. If you want to use the pre-made dough at the store, that's totally fine, whatever works for you. If you want my homemade dough recipe, I'll leave a link in the description box, okay? So trying to make something healthy here. So you want to start off by actually flouring your countertop, just like I have right here. Okay, we don't want any sticky parts, anything sticky on the dough. That's just what we want. We want to get this floured up pretty well. Oh, excuse me, hit the camera. All right. Okay, so this is pretty much what we want. So what we're gonna do is basically, so what we need to do, we need to try to roll out this dough. Now, if you don't have a rolling pin, okay, if you don't have a rolling pin, I take it that, you know, you can use a pan, a cooking pan. I think that right there will be a good idea if you don't have a rolling pin, okay? So whatever works for you. All right, guys, so we got our dough, you know, rolled out to a really good size. Try to make it to a circle. I mean, we all know what a pizza look like, you know. So trying to get this as flat as we can. Make sure you keep your surface floured, because if you don't, underneath, especially using the homemade dough, you know, it'll get sticky and then your dough might rip. So make sure you keep your surface floured. So that looks good to me. What y'all think? That look good to me. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the edges. That way we can make our crust, okay? Now to me, I like a thick crust. I want you to get yourself a pizza pan, okay? And I want you to go ahead and lightly oil your pizza pan and add your dough to it. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pre-cook this dough at 425 for about 10 minutes, okay? For about 10 minutes, because we want the dough fully cooked. We're dealing with raw dough here, so we want to pre-cook it for about 10 minutes at 425. All right, guys, so our pizza dough is done. So remember, pre-cook it 425 for 10 minutes. Add some barbecue sauce. So I'm using some sugar-free barbecue sauce. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. So you can see, just add your sauce like that. All right, looking good so far. Okay, so first we're gonna add some shredded chicken, okay? Gonna add some shredded chicken. Try to even this out as best way we can. This is some shredded grilled chicken, okay? Try to even it out best way you can. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Okay. All right, so there goes your chicken. Next ingredient, so we're gonna add some red onion. All right, it's one of my favorites here. So we're just gonna evenly spread it. Okay. You add as many as you like. Like I said earlier, like, so what's y'all favorite pizza? I said Pizza Hut used to be my favorite, but I don't know, they've been sleeping. They've been really slipping lately. I moved up. I've always liked Papa John's, you know, so I guess I'm gonna stick with them. But yeah. Let me know what y'all think down in the description box below. So we're gonna add some cheese here, some shredded cheese. Okay. Some of that skim milk cheese. Like I said, all the ingredients will be in the description box below. All right, looking good. Okay, so we added all our cheese. So a little bit more. Okay. So we're gonna top it off. One of my favorites, some green onion. Yeah. Yeah. Add some green onion. Green onion. Really like that. Red onion, some green onion. All right, guys. So we got our pizza made. So going, that look good, don't it? Yeah, that look pretty good. That look real good. Low calorie barbecue chicken pizza. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this in the oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Oh yes, low calorie barbecue chicken pizza. And we got that cheese pool like that. Oh man. Now, if you want this recipe, it will be in the description box below. All right, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Oh yeah, and remember, if it don't look good, I ain't eating it.